Hi, first grade friends. Unit 1 practice is about to begin. I can read, spell, write words and sentences with blends and digraphs. Let's start with our sounds. My turn first. A apple a. B egg e. I itch I. O octopus ah. U up CH chin ch. TH thumb SH ship sh. Okay, we're going to start from the bottom today. Try on your own first. Sound. 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 Let's go through them together. B, e, ch, a, qu, a, sh, g, d, I. It would be fun to turn it into a game. See how quickly you can do the sounds correctly. So it could sound something like this. Sh, g, d, I, a, qu, a, b, e, ch, a. The quicker that we can put our sounds and recognize our sounds, the easier we'll be able to read. Okay, so now we're just going to practice segmenting some words. So, my turn first, then you. Say ship. Tap ship. Sh, I, p. Say back. Sounds in back. B, a, k. Say cup. Sounds in cup. K, a, p. Say head. Sounds in head. H, a, d. Say stop. Sounds in stop. S, t, a, p. Say grip. Sounds in grip. G, r, I, p. Say broom. Sounds in broom. B, r, u, m. Say trim. Sounds in trim. T, r, I, m. Awesome. Now we're going to read some words. Word plant. Plant. And the goal would be to have you just read the word and not have to tap it out. The next word says clap. Clap. Were you able to read this word without tapping it out? Next word says drip. Yes, drip. It's okay to tap out the word if you need to. We all start there. But once you can do it without tapping, just read the word. Next word says lamp. Lamp. Next word, flat. Flat. Now we're going to spell some words. Say frog. Tap frog. Frog. There are 4 sounds in frog. Let's say the sounds as we write the letters. R, a, g. Frog. Go ahead and spell frog. F-R-O-G, frog. Say last. Tap last. Last. There are 4 sounds in last. Let's write the letters as we say the sounds. L, A, S, T. Let's spell last. L-A-S-T, last. Next word, say drag. Tap drag. D-R-A-G. Let's write the letters as we say the sounds. D, R, A, G. Let's spell drag. D, R, A, G. Drag. Next word. Say trap. Tap trap. T-R-A-P. There are 4 sounds in trap. Let's write the letters as we say the sounds. T-R-A-P. Let's write the word T-R-A-P. Trap. Next word, say glad. Tap glad. G-L-A-D. There are 4 sounds in glad. Let's write the word, the letters as we say the sounds. G-L-A-D. Now we're going to spell the word. G-L-A-D, glad. We are also going to read the words from top to bottom and back up again. Okay. Word, 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 word. Okay, now back up. Word, 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 word. If at any point you find that we're moving too quickly, you can always pause the video so that you can spend a little extra time reading the words that we may have read too quickly. Now it's time to look at these phrases. Okay, they're not sentences. They don't have all the parts of a sentence, but they are phrases. So take a look at the top phrase. I want you to try reading it on your own. If you need to pause the video, go ahead and pause it. Now we'll go over it. Flip, flip, it, fast, fast. Flip it fast. Go ahead and read the next phrase on your own. Remember, if you need to pause the video, pause it to give yourself some extra time to read it. Let's go over it. Trap, the, that's a sight word. Crab. Trap the crab. Now it's time for us to write some phrases. Okay. Say, lend him the flag. How many words are in that phrase? Lend him the flag. 4 words are in that phrase. Go ahead and tap out each word to write the words in the phrase. If you need to pause the video, pause it to give yourself time to do that. We're going to go over it. So, lend him the flag. First word, lend. Sounds in lend. 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 Finger space. Sounds in him. Im. Finger space. The is a sight word. T-H-E. The. Sounds in, finger space. Then sounds in flag. Flag. Let's review our sentence. lend him the flag. And as we get more fluent with our reading, it'll sound not so much like a robot. Lend him the flag instead of lend him the flag. Our goal is to become more fluent as we read and less like a robot. So this next one is a sentence. Okay, so we did a phrase, now we're going to do a sentence. It says, do not drop the plant. How many words are in our sentence? Do not drop the plant. We have 5 words in our sentence. If you need to take a moment to pause the video, go ahead and write, do not drop the plant. And now we'll go over our sentence. Okay, first word, do. Okay, uppercase D because it's the beginning of a sentence. Finger space. Sounds in not, not. Finger space. Sounds in drop, drop. Finger space. The word the, T-H-E, the. That's a sight word. Plant. Or finger space. Sounds in plant. Plant. And at the end of our sentence, we need a punctuation mark. And I'm going to use an exclamation point so that it'll read, do not drop the plant. Okay, don't want to drop that plant. Okay, good work today, friends.